I think I hear it cracking.
You meet all these people on YouTube and you talk to them back and forth, and other than that,
You don't see them out in the wild.
Yeah.
I'm just glad the weather's nice, you know what I'm saying? We couldn't have asked for a better day. Somebody save me! Look at this tiny space for these huge trees right here. Pergola right here. Exit point over here. And we got these huge trees in this tiny space. Trying to take a free ride. I'm cutting these up on the back side so that it fades towards me before it comes straight down. Otherwise it'd be on top of that limb over there. Just cut this up however small you need to not kill yourselves. It's like just big enough to lay a limb down, just barely. Ooh, that was hot. It was something dumb that I said. When you know what you're doing, you know what's going on. It made no sense. Oh yeah, it was just a morning babble. Just a morning brain kind of deal. How heavy is that gonna be? Pull up, give me some friction on that, pull up on it. I wanna lift the limb a little bit. Ooh, look at that, baby. That's the way you do it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Get yourself a ball of rope right here. Toss it out there under it, or you can go over it too, but let it swing back to you. Oh, I messed it up, but it kind of still came back to me, so it still worked. Now I got it way out there. Big old limb. Tiny space. I'm gonna pull it back to the front. Let me go a little lower on it and I'll pull it over. Snap them down with it. Nice. So we got the whole front side rigged out now. I got the pulley set up there, so now we're gonna start swinging all these lower branches. Probably towards the center over here, but it could go either way. We'll just kind of fill it out once we get into it. But so far, we're about less than 2 hours into this, and in my opinion, half the tree's done. You're on a branch up here, you can't come any higher. Ooh, about a balance. Nice. We're in there. What do you guys think about this next one? Going towards the pergola, or should we go all the way back around?
I'd go those lower ones maybe all the way around.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Big guy,
We'll go all the way.
I think this big guy you could section out with like
Yeah.
2 or 3.
Yeah, okay. All three of you can lift that. I'm gonna hang out here to get that rope back from you to do this next piece. No, it's not. See if you can swing that to me, you guys. Yep, perfect, got it. Kind of a weird spot to... Yeah, it's kind of a weird spot to... My climb line? Or my flip line?
Because if it goes back, it's gonna...
Well, if I can let go, it won't take a bad swing.
Okay.
I'm not too concerned about it. I'm just prefer not to. Oh, this is such a...
Like,
Okay.
perfect thing, like the guy who's sitting on the branch and he's cutting the...
Yeah, exactly.
You gotta unite.
All right, here we go. I'm ready now. Nice. Yeah, we got the height now. It came all the way back to me. Yeah, we're in good shape now. Just let it swing all the way around before you lower it. Hold on. There you go. It'll come around now a little bit. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. Processing up. Fancy. Just kidding. That'll work. Will that work? No, ain't gonna work. You know what? That'll probably work. I'm just gonna ease into it. I just want to clear a couple of those limbs because when I get to the top, that's gonna be a problem. Nobody else knows what the words are. Just baby, come back. All right, moment of truth. Oh, I think I hear it cracking. Still holding on. All right. You can see how much more work it is just having this small drop zone. Where's the lighting at? There it is. Just tiny. This isn't like a really super tall tree. It's probably only 80 feet or so, but it's big, it's broad, and it's in a tiny little space. So that's what makes it so challenging. All right, we got the second rig point set up. Close to the top, really close to the top. And just have a few more limbs below me here. Not monsters anymore, just regular sized limbs. So we're getting there. Go ahead. Bundle of 3. I'm throwing this towards the bucket. Ah! Dang it. Headache! Whew, got that rotation. I ran out of gas right before I went to cut the top, so at least I'll have some gas in there to chunk this thing down a little bit. Perfect shot of a top going backwards. There's somebody down there, guys. I don't know who that is, but we're gonna find out here shortly.
Gotta do the YouTube thing, right? Yeah, just my sausage on the other side of that tree. Who cares? Kissed it. You gotta kiss it before you kill it.
Yeah.
How was the drive?
Portland sucks. I'm about an hour away then, from Jacob.
Yeah, probably maybe an hour and a half with traffic. Is he working today?
I think they are, yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna drive up yesterday, but it was my birthday.
Did I make you nervous and the shop went on sideways or what?
No, I just didn't care. It was rigged on, so I don't care which way it goes.
That's awesome.
You're a real person.
Oh yeah. See, that's the thing. Like, you meet all these people on YouTube and you talk to them back and forth, and you might see them at TCI Expo or something, but
Yeah.
other than that,
You don't see him out in the wild.
Yeah,
So you already know what you're doing tomorrow and the next day?
I have no clue.
He's gonna put you to work.
All right.
You'll have a good time. He just got
That's what it's all about.
Isaac and Caden. Yeah. Those two guys they're good. They're hard workers. Were you talking to me?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I had my muff up.
You're at capacity right now.
Chips were maxed out.
Yeah.
That was a lot. But you filled that whole truck up. Jeez.
Yeah.
You guys are filthy.
Yeah, dirty, yeah.
Saw that dust, huh?
Dirty. Oh, there's a whole dust bowl in here, man. Didn't get rocked up there, did you?
No, I was nice and smooth on my side. I just laughed. When that thing started going backwards, I just laughed at it. I was like, you freaking guy. I just said, shoop, just go ahead and move out of the way. Go ahead. I don't care if it goes forward or backwards. As long as it doesn't go on a house or a fence. April.
So you're gonna you did 20 years there or what?
Yep.
I wish I would have done something like that. You know?
Most people say that when they're at this point in their life. They're like, I wish I would have done that. But it sucked the whole time.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, at least it's almost over.
Probably gonna help these guys pick up a little bit here. You can hang out as long as you want to, and
I'm probably gonna.
but yeah, we can
get
go see
settled
the
in.
sights. Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.
All right, dude.
You guys have fun.
See ya. So I had to come back up. The original plan was to just chunk this tree down once I topped it, but instead we're going to keep the stem and rig off this whole tree using it. We'll do all that work on day 2, but I did leave the rigging up here because I thought I was going to chunk the tree out, so I had to come back up on the Raptor. Oh man, not a Raptor ride. Here you go, boys. Bye. Last piece. All right, now I'll set some rigging here, go back down, and we'll work on that tree for a little bit. Hungry eyes, one look at you and I am surprised. No, I think I just made that up. Hungry Jake, he wants that Jimmy John's down his gullet. Jake, don't go backwards. Perfect. All right, guys, we're pretty tired. We're gonna go ahead and call this the end of day 1. Tomorrow, day 2, will be removing everything above me here, rigging out this tree over to that tree, and then I'll chunk that one down, all in this tiny drop zone right here. And then all the wood from this tree is going over here, and all the wood from this tree is going over here. Whew. It's 5 o'clock, so it's been a rough day. We're tired. They've been playing around in the dirt all day. It's like so dusty down there. Let's pick back up on this with more lemming. That sucker is long and strong. So I've been working off this sharp line angle behind me going up to that other stem. But what you can do it to kind of make life a little bit easier, is I used that line angle, came over here with just a sling, and now I can be straight up and down on the tree. It's not pulling me out towards that other stem. And I'll work this whole side for a little bit and be way more comfortable. Stay shield down. He said, oh, he's crazy. Why do you say that? That was light. It was a little thing, little tiny thing. I need this one to come straight across and not come down first. So we got a lot of tension on it here. All right, ready? There we go. Okay. Next piece I'll do a face cut and we'll see how it's different. There's so much to clean up in that backyard. Do an audible here. Oh, what is that? We're getting more than we bargained for today. That'll be fine. There we go. Sheesh. What a disaster. All this crisscrossing, man, is freaking annoying today. I hate wind and trees. These trees are still married together. These limbs are crossed so freaking much. It's really frustrating. All right, we're getting a little separation there. We gotta keep them separated. Okay, let me see if they're separate now. I can give that one a push out. All right, let's rig this top down. We do a face cut. I'm pushing it out towards the neighbor's house. I'll tell you when I'm ready for you guys. Same thing, same size top. If you want to go a little less on it. There we go. Finally, 2 days of green stuff. I am not happy with that. There's so much green in this tree. Just the limbs were huge, the rigging was dumb, just big, tiny space. I'm gonna let you move each piece before I send another one. Welcome to day 3, an unplanned day 3. I literally thought I was gonna get both these trees done in 2 days, but here we are. I'm just glad the weather's nice, you know what I'm saying? We couldn't have asked for a better day. Here's the end of this piece of the codom. There it goes. See here, that's not connected. There's actually nasty stuff in there, included bark. It looks like it's together, but it's definitely not. All right, now I go to the next stem. gas. Somebody save me. What? Okay, let's see if I got it level. Yeah, that does look pretty good. Better than the other one, come on. That does look pretty good. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Actually, I'm not ready to end it yet. Let me show you all the wood first. Look at all this. Gotta keep this camera from rocking. Yeah, look at all this. Sheesh. And we're leaving these so they can stack some split firewood between each stump here. That was tough. This is what the next 6 months of my life is gonna look like. Oh, how glorious. Hey Jake, say bye.